We are given the equation 1 over AB plus 1 over BC plus 1 over CA equals 1 over 7. Our goal is to combine the fractions on the left and see the relationship between A, B, and C. Step 1. Find a common denominator. The least common denominator of A, B, BC, and CA is ABC because it includes all three factors. We rewrite each term with denominator ABC. 1 over AB becomes C over ABC. 1 over BC becomes A over ABC. 1 over C, A becomes B over ABC. Now that all three fractions share the same denominator, we add their numerators. C plus A plus B over ABC simplifies to A plus B plus C over ABC. Substitute this result back into the original equation. We have A plus B plus C over ABC equals 1 over 7. To clear the fractions, we cross multiply. 7 times the quantity A plus B plus C equals ABC. This shows the relationship. The product ABC equals 7 times their sum, A plus B plus C. This completes the step-by-step solution. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.